currently studying at RTR po, and I am 18 years old.
Yeah. Okay. Nag-istorya ka na, ano na yung background kanina. Sige, so let's proceed. Let's start with acting. Okay.
I didn't prepare any monologue.
It's okay, it's okay. Just wait for me, just wait for me. You can put down your phone for a while. Okay. What I want you to do now is to do a memory recall. In acting, in naturalistic acting, and itong era manggod itong prevailing manggod kasi yan ang mga movements. But I want you to really act using your emotion. I want you to bring back the most irritating experience in your life. You can get out, internalize mo anay, and then pagsulod mo, don't say, can I start? No. Nasulod ka na, nga, character ka na. Nagbagin replay mo na ni mo kahadto. You can begin right away. Okay, get out.
Ay, Doro! Pagbabalik ko palang nga ni Doro, tapos nagsisinalang sa akin ng ka-dormmates.
Okay, that's it. Most irritating talaga, dorm. Okay, this time, let's do substitution. I'd like you to diri na inihiya payong, ha? Amo na ini, again, replayhan mo past nga experience, but amo ini an pinaka cutest nga pet nga imo na encounter. Do not act. Ayaw pag-arte, ayaw pag-acting, but show us reality. Show us being natural, being you at the moment. Okay? Internalize anay, gawas anay, transform this into the cutest pet nga ever nakaptan nimo habugos nimo kinabuhi. Okay? Be careful, it's alive. It's not a toy.
Cute mo na ni! Huli ko yun. So cute! Wala, kadalag ko tiya ay, sumendli. Alay na, no-work manilin. Oh, cute ko, cute. Pili ko yung huli.
Stop. Just do your thing. Don't ask permission. Be careful kay ang director or nagkikita ito ra kung ano mo kakaput tinuod ba or you're faking it. Okay, get out again. Come in with a living creature.
Pili ko po dati.
Ayaw pagpakiana, ayaw pagsarit.
Ay, naranaman ito here. Uli tayo no yan ah. Eh, kapag kaya naman Doro. Pili ka. Pili. Ano, gusto mong tubig? Ano yun? Ako ang tubig. Ano? Inom ano yun? Inom. Dito, papakaunin kayo. Tapos, yan ah. Dini nga makukuha ang balay. Kitang tamanday mo dito gawas.
Okay, what's the animal?
It's a cat.
What kind of a cat?
The stray cats you see outside.
When did that happen?
Afternoon, because I was strolling around.
This afternoon, today?
Yes.
What's the, anong color, anong itsurahan cat?
Orange.
Is it calico, tabby, ginger? Oh, ginger. I'm sorry. Okay, orange. Oh, yan. Sige. So, now, okay, pakibutang na lang payong. We want to see you sing.
Look at this stuff. Isn't it?
Stop. Can you do character singing? You're Ariel. Exaggerate. Feel mo nga ikaw mermaid, ha? You're underwater.
Look at this stuff.
Exaggerate, no?
Isn't it neat?
Anay. Feel it. Ikaw ang pinakamahusay nga babae, yan na habog sa kalibutan. Ikaw ang pinakamahusay nga mermaid. Confident ka. And then happy ka. Ready? Go.
Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection?
Stop. Don't fix your eyes on me. Your character moves around. It's like, nakasugad nga ni ka mo ito, kuan laha, abiso la iyo, nagsusugad nga ni ka mo ito, karagsigon ito, you are still longing for, bagan, you're dependent for approval. Don't be. You are the king and the queen, or the queen at your own moment. If you fix your eyes on someone like me, like the director, that means nahadlok ka pa. You don't have the confidence. Okay, again, begin when you're internalize. Internalize. Ready? Don't fix your eyes on me. You can look anywhere. Just be the character.
Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything?
Can you float, please? You're in water. No, you're still heavy. Flow.
Sure, she's got everything. I get gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I get Woodses and Watsons galore. You want thingamabobs? I got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see young dancing.
Stop.
Around.
Yes, okay. Let's proceed the movement. Kaya na, the same piece, but I really want to see movement underwater. Kaya na, ani ka pa, earthly pa ni mo movement. Grounded ka paliwat sa kalibutan. Maram ka lumangoy, di ba? Really? Nakatry ka na mag-swimming pool? Mga 8 feet, 10 feet, sugad? Or have you tried floating?
No, I'm scared.
Pero, at point, may dabisan gamay lang nga na-experience, baga naka-float ka. Bring back that moment. That's what you need now. Amo na itong movement ang gusto ko makita with the same piece. Ada na nimo boses, ada na nimo expression. I don't know if genuine talaga nimo emotion, but you need to show it and your movement. Sige, ito lang a piece, ha?
This song po.
That song, the same song, but I want you to really float. As in literally. Dire ka literal nga. Yeah, if you can, yes, why not? Yeah. Take a moment, gawas anay. Come in when you are ready. Okay? Don't float. I didn't say you fly, you float.
Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? Wouldn't you
Share with your audience.
It's complete. Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything?
Stop. Can you exaggerate a bit? Theatricalize. Ada na. Pwede na ani mo performance, pwede na hindi nga room, but I want a bigger movement. As in pan Disney talaga nga movement. Kay minimalist ang imong movement, bagan compliance la. Again, exit, come in big.
Okay.
Come in.
Look at this stuff. Isn't it?
No. Exit. I will provide the introduction. Pagsulod nimo, Ariel ka na. Out. Ready? Just listen. Share with the audience your face.
Everything. Look at this trove, treasures untold. How many wonders can one cavern?
Exaggerate.
Looking around here, you think, sure, she's got everything. I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I've got Woodses and Watsons galore. You want thingamabobs? I got 20. But who cares? No big deal.
Can you open the door? Open the door. Open the door.
I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see them dancing, walking around on those. What you call them? Oh, feet. Flipping your feet, you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing, strolling along.
Okay, stop. Very good. Congratulations. You know what you need to improve on? And not okay ada ngatanan, but in every performance you need to have the mind for geography. Kaya nasin ka, look at this stuff, isn't it neat? Pero kung hain ka lang natudlok, kinahanglan may daka mapa, may daka floor plan nga imagined floor plan. Di kay masulod ka lang, look at the stuff, nga di wala, nga di naman tuo, bangin ali na igbaw, bangin ali ubos, patsarang. You need to fix that in your mind. In any performance, all of us, kinahanglan may dahito nga mga landmarks, mga marker. Okay, congratulations. Thank you. You may sit down.